Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll see what's inside of the laptop battery. Here we have Dell laptop's battery which is of 40 watt hour and standard rechargeable lithium ion battery. This battery doesn't have screw, just press fit locks. We have to put some effort to open it. So let's get started. As you can see, this battery is having 4 cells and 3.7 to 3.8 volt. As you can see, there is one black wire connected to the battery. That is a temperature sensor connected to the battery, which measures the temperature and which stops the charging if the battery is getting hot. This is a small tiny board which handles charging, discharging, overcharging of the battery. Okay, I have separated out all the batteries, and now let's see the total voltage in series of the battery. Okay, it's 15.4 something, and one cell is having 3.7 to 3.8 volt. Thanks for the watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the channel for more videos and stay tuned.